Budapest and beyond!
There are two Art Nouveau museums in Budapest. The first, more famous one, is more like a storage facility with just random pieces of Art Nouveau all clumped together without any signage telling you what is what. A lot to see, but not a lot to learn. The other doesn't really look Art Nouveau from the outside because it's not. But inside, what a brilliant Art Nouveau treat is in store for you. The Villa Ráth was named after its former owners, György Ráth and his wife. They bought the villa in 1901 and set about converting it. The entrance and staircase were remodeled in the Art Nouveau style. The stained glass windows are presumed to be the work of legendary Hungarian stained glass window artist Miksa Róth. György Ráth was the first Director General of the Museum of Applied Arts in Budapest. The secession, also known internationally as Art Nouveau, was one of the most creative periods in the decorative arts. Three distinctive schools of Art Nouveau, the British, the Austrian, and the French, are represented in separate interiors. In each room is a detailed description of each piece of art and furniture and how they fit perfectly together. If the exquisite beauty of Art Nouveau gets your heart racing, you might want to bring a tank of oxygen with you. It really is that wonderful.